So if people are watching this and they're resonating with what you just said, how can they contribute to that mission in some way?
But there are several ways in which people can contribute. Number one is identify leaders around you. They can be community leaders, they can be business leaders, people who have the power and the capability of impacting at least 200 lives. And talk to them, share with them this possibility of Basecamp. And they will have a natural resistance to coming to something that's free, because obviously there's some question in their mind, why is something offered free? What's the angle, what's the twist behind it? There is no twist, there is no angle. We're not going to sell anything, there's no upsell, there's no pressure. This is a process of celebrating what they are doing and what they're providing to the societies and the communities in their own pursuit of earning their own, wealth and money and income for their families. They are in fact ending up supporting more than 200 lives. And we are celebrating what they're doing in a very beautiful way. And when they go back from Basecamp, they will find an acceleration of results that takes place. And through that acceleration of results, they will be able to impact more lives. And as this starts happening, the ripple effect of this starting to happen will help me to accelerate impacting this 1 million lives of people who never know my name.